In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add pop-up forms to your website using Mailerlite Classic. Pop-up forms are a fantastic way to engage visitors, capture leads, and ultimately grow your audience. Let's dive right in and explore the steps involved in setting them up. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Mailerlite's website. Simply head over to the Create Email Marketing Your Audience Will Love page. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button and click on it. It will take you to the login page where you have the option to sign in using Google. Click on Sign in with Google to access your dashboard quickly and securely. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the dashboard and locate the Forms tab. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll find the Create Form button. Click on this button to start the process of setting up your pop-up form. Now, you'll need to provide a name for your form. This is just for your reference, so choose something descriptive that will help you identify this specific form later. After you've entered a fitting name, click Save and Continue. You will now see a prompt to select a group. Choosing the right group is essential, as it determines which of your subscribers will receive the form. Simply select the appropriate group from the list and hit Continue. Next, you need to select a template for your pop-up form. Mailerlite offers a range of templates to suit various needs and styles. Browse through the options, find one that aligns with your brand or campaign's look and feel, and click on Choose to select it. Once you've chosen your template, you'll have the chance to edit and customize it to your liking. This is a great opportunity to add your branding, personalize the message, and make the design appealing to your audience. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Done Editing. Moving forward, you'll want to configure a few settings to ensure your pop-up form behaves as intended. Start by defining the trigger settings, which determine how long a visitor should be on a page before the form appears. Adjust this to your preference for optimal engagement. After setting the trigger, you'll need to specify the frequency with which the pop-up form will appear to users, as well as its visibility settings. This ensures that the form is not too intrusive, but shows up just enough to catch the visitor's attention. Finally, after all these settings have been adjusted, don't forget to click Save Changes to confirm everything. And there you have it, a fully customized pop-up form ready to enhance your website's engagement and lead generation efforts. Thank you for joining today, and best of luck with your email marketing efforts on Mailerlite Classic.